Paul, just looking back to that first game of the season, I know Leinster will probably be a bit stronger, but I mean, there were, a few uh, good test players in that team, but you guys put 35 points past and didn't concede any. So, do you guys take confidence from that game? And are any lessons that you learned relevant there, do you think, to this weekend?
Hi, Stephen. It's actually a pretty long time ago. But yeah, I'd rather say we'll take confidence out of the last two, three games and the stuff we did well there than taking confidence out of the first game of the season. Yeah, we'll obviously check and see what worked there. But I'll rather say that we'll look at this weekend, this past weekend, and focus on that stuff and rather take confidence out of that.
And you guys as a pack must be feeling great about this past weekend, Paul.
Yeah, we are feeling good, but yeah, we saw the stats this morning and there's still some work ons and still opportunities that we lost out on. So that's what our pack and Coach Rito is working on, and hopefully we can fix that.
And playing out in what's likely to be a packed Aviva. I mean, just as that must be something you really look forward to. I mean, it's an occasion, isn't it?
Yeah, that will be cool. Excited for that.
And Rita, just